told you, bro. It wasn't nothing.
Dude, this shit time back. Wasn't this an old 2K song? Oh, I don't got my desktop audio on. Hold on. Glad I just thought about that. Alright, restart this.
Yeah, we get an old song from 17, some from 16 or something.
Bro, it's an old classic song. As soon as the beat came on, I'm like, whoa. New Park, City Heights. Ooh, got a blacktop chain core, okay. I should start playing my team. We got a lowrider car. I ain't really seeing nothing too crazy though. Not my team shit. I bet I get copyright.
Who remember when that lowrider was like?
Yeah, I mean that was that shit was pretty fucking ass. Not gonna lie.